very good morning to all my wonderful children. How are you? Okay children, now I am here and I have some, one interesting activity for all of you. Okay, so let's go quickly and see what are the things we need for the activity. I have taken, a small piece of, yellow color paper. You can also take white paper. Then I have taken one small plate, okay, that's round in shape. You can take any plate in your house. Then you need a small piece of pink color paper and black paper, okay. If you don't have these color papers, children, you can also use your crayons to color these papers. And then we need two strings, okay. We need your glue, your sketch pen and scissors, which I use, but you should take the help of your parents, when scissors are needed or scissors are used, okay. So let's go quickly and see what's the activity. So you will take this paper, okay, and what you are going to do, you are going to take this plate and on the back side put it like this, okay. What you're going to do, children, okay, see, as I told you earlier also, you are going to use your pencil, but I am using the sketch pen directly, as you can see, okay. And then I am going to draw only half circle, okay. As you can see, I have drawn here, okay. Then this side, as you can see, I am drawing a kind of leaf, as you can see. Then again here I am drawing a triangle and here a little big triangle. Yes. Then let us join. Okay. Let me take it out. You can see. Yes. If you can see this. Okay. Now I have drawn this half. What I am going to do, children, just you are going to fold it like this, okay. Fold it. Okay, before that, here you have to draw another leaf here. See. Okay, then what you are going to do, you will ask your mama or papa to just fold it like this and cut it. Okay. You will not cut it. You will not, use the scissors because you might cut your fingers. So ask your mama, papa, okay. But when they are free, okay, don't disturb them. I know nowadays you are always after them. Mama, give me this. Papa, give me this. Or come, let's do this activity. Yes, activity you should do. But when they are free, okay. Okay, after they are free, they cut for you, then you can do your activity. Okay. Now children, see, I have cut it. Okay. So why I have folded it? If you can see now, it is like this. Can you see? So now I am going to turn it. I think you can make it out. Okay. Here, what you are going to do, okay, one more thing. This way, this I have drawn. This also ask your mama to just make a hole inside this with the scissors, okay. And then what you're going to do, mama or papa, they're going to cut, the inner portion. Can you see? Yes, it's very difficult for you children. Never hold the scissors and cut like this. Okay, take the help of, you can also take the help of your elder sister or brother. Okay, now see, now I am going to open it. I think you can make out what is this, right? But now also I am not going to tell you what is this. Let me place this, and now I am going to take this pink color paper and here I am going to draw triangles, as you can see, okay. And here I have drawn a semicircle, Okay, now I am going to cut it. I am doing it little faster. Okay, see. Okay, so now as you can see, I got 2 out of this. This one also I am going to make the outline with the black color sketch pen. Okay, and this one also I am going to cut it. I am going to do it very fast. Okay, children. Okay, you can do it slowly, and I am sure when your mama papa they will cut it for you, it will be easy for you. Okay, now let me take this black paper. Let me fold it. See, I fold it into half, then half. So you can fold it, and then you have to just cut, strips out of it. See, thin strips, not very thick. Okay, so I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 more I need. Okay. Okay, so now let me take out the waste papers. Children, I have told you always use your dustbin or your trash bin to, put these waste papers or anything you find. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste it. So I'll put some glue. Okay, let me paste it here. Okay, the other triangle I'm taking and I'm pasting it here. Yes. Now I think you are able to make out what is this, isn't it? But still I will not say. You will only find out what it is. Okay. Now these strips I am going to paste. Okay, one here. Okay, the other one. Children, when you will paste it, take little bit of this glue. Don't put too much, otherwise it's going to spread, and your whatever activity you are doing, it will not be neat. Okay, so the same way I am going to take 3 more strips over here and paste it. Yes. Okay. The next one. Okay. And the next one. Okay. Okay, now what it is? Yes, absolutely correct. It's a cat, isn't it? But we have to, do some finishing. So see how I'm making the eyes of the cat. Okay, so here you are going to put some black sketch pen. Okay, some eyelash. You just make some eyelash. Here also the same thing. Okay, just make outer line of this leaf. Okay, and here again some eyelash. Here eyebrows. Okay, and let's make the mouth. Okay, so what another thing I have not told you, what you're going to do, you are going to make one hole here. This also your mama papa they are going to do, with this scissors, one hole here. Okay, and another hole here. Okay, then what you're going to do, this, you are having these strings at home, just put it inside. Okay, tight. Okay, and now this is ready. What it is? It's a mask. Yes or no? Whose mask it is? Right, it's the mask of the cat puss. Interesting or not? Okay. Now this way you can do mask. And another, thing I have for you. I'll just show it quickly. It's very easy, but I have already cut it. Okay. Now see, this one is a semicircular shape of thing. Then I have cut yellow color and green color in this shape, these two green color papers in this shape, and one pink and one red paper. Okay, and I have two black bindis, so we'll make it fast. Okay, this one, what you're going to do, children, here I'm going to put little bit of this. You're going to cut it earlier. Okay, I'm just showing you very fast. Here I am going to paste it, this one, and over it. Just remember to put little bit of glue, not much, okay? Don't make your activities dirty, okay? Now, this one over here, this one over here, okay? Then this one on this side. It's very easy, children. Just you need to cut it in this shape. Your mama and papa, they will cut it for you. Then you can paste it, isn't it? Yes. Okay. That's over. Then your mama's bindi you can take and make the eyes. Yes. Now you can guess what it is. Yes. And the next step is you have to paste this one on this. Yes. And now what it is, you see? Yes. You are going to put it here. It's your headgear. Okay? Isn't it or not? Yes, it's just coming out because it's not dried. Okay, now you can see. Okay, so children, what it is? It's the parrot. So you saw the cat and the parrot. Okay, so now children, next what we have for you, I'll be showing you. Okay, let's go and see what's there for you. So children, like as you can see in this chapter, Puss and the Parrot, you can see it's written Puss here, and what Puss says, Mr. Parrot, you sing well, please sing a song for me. Then the parrot, feeling very happy, says, yes, yes, la la la, dum de dum. In the next page, again you can see Puss is saying something, parrot answers, then Puss says, then the parrot says, it goes on. Children, when it's written like this means these are the dialogues of Puss and the Parrot. Dialogues means when two persons or more than two persons they talk. Okay. Now the words they say, they are called dialogues. Okay. Now what you have to do? Okay. You have to learn these dialogues. Okay. So after learning the dialogues, this mask you can just wear, and you can practice the words, okay, or the dialogues, okay, and you keep these masks ready with you, children. After the school reopens, we will have a dramatization of this, okay. So you can become Puss or you can become a parrot, and we can have fun in the class. So that's all for today. We'll again meet tomorrow. Bye.